Hi, I'm Luca from Echidna Sewing. Today we'll be looking at the Brother Blind Stitch foot, aka the R-foot, available on most Brother machines. This foot allows you to sew a blind hem with your sewing machine. To attach this foot, release the press foot down onto the alignment bar located beneath the printed R. There are a few different types of blind hem stitches. Check your manual to see which one you have and what stitch you should be using with your fabric. Now you need to prepare your fabric. Fold the raw edge up 1 cm and press that into place. Then fold the new edge up 2 cm. Finally, flip your fabric to the inside and peel back the edge to expose the previous folded piece. Avoid folding too much so that you will expose the raw edge. Press your folded pieces in place and pin if needed. Before sewing, align the raised inner folded edge to the left side of the guide within the foot. Then sew. Make sure the fabric is sitting firmly against the guide to prevent missed stitches. And that's how you use your blind stitch foot.